You searched how to buy shares of Cel-Sci Corp, a clinical stage biotech company focused on immunotherapies listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CVM. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy CVM, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and then add funds to your wallet before buying. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker CVM to find Cel-Sci Corp. Then locate the listing that shows NASDAQ as the exchange to ensure it is the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ listing to make sure you have the right asset before proceeding. Choose Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to commit. Review the order details and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it finalizes. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once filled. For the platform link and more details, check the description below.